Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 8 of 12 days of Liller-Ween. Can you guys believe there's only 4 days left? It's kind of bittersweet. I'm going to be kind of sad that it's going to be over, but it's only to bring in newer things and more possibilities because Christmas is the next crafty holiday and I will be doing tons of Christmas crafting. I am bringing back this year my Jingle Lils series, so get excited. I'm thinking about doing the same thing where I'm going to be giving away for, I don't know if I'm doing it for 25 days or just like 12 days. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to be doing the same thing where I'm going to be giving away every project that I create because I've been having so much fun and just seeing the excitement of you guys winning in these giveaways. It's making me excited. So definitely get excited for Jingle Lils because it's coming, you guys. And next month is my birthday. So I'm thinking about getting a PO box again and doing a challenge. But let me know how you guys feel about that down below. I haven't decided yet what I want to do, but I'm thinking about doing a birthday challenge. I haven't done one in about 2 years. So let me know your thoughts on that, you guys. So today's video is going to be, of course, a craft with me. We're going to be making some chunky embellishments. You guys have been loving chunky embellishments. They're all the rave right now. So, of course, I wanted to make some for the series and for you guys to possibly win in the giveaway. So before I go into showing you guys the ones that I've made, I want to show you guys my little mess here and what I got going on and what I used to create these super chunky little embellies. So the paper that I used, I posted on my Instagram today, is the Digital Collection DCWV. I always get tongue-tied with that. Happy Halloween Digital Collection. I'll have the link down below if you guys want to go check it out. It's currently available on the AC Digital's website. Let me show you guys the ones that I printed out. So this is the cut apart sheet. And then we have this one. And you guys, I found this paper on Amazon and it's so thick. It feels such good quality. I absolutely love it. There's this one. We have the stripe one. It's cut up because you guys, I obviously used it for the embellies. Look at this one with all the candies. So cute. I didn't use this one, but look at that with the teal blue in the back. The cats. We got some spider webbies. We got the haunted houses. Look at this one, how cute. You can actually like even color that in. We got some bats, some pumpkins and some cats. And then we have some black cats. So those are the papers that I printed out, but if you go to the website, you can see that there's more to the paper collection. I used a bunch of different ephemera pieces to create my embellies and a bunch of stickers. So there's no set collection when it comes to what ephemera I used. I just went in and looked through all my ephemera and just put on the embellishments what I wanted to put. As for the die, I used the In Love Art circle dies, and they have these little hearts. I'm gonna have a link down below so you guys can check it out. There's a purpose why I like these for these type of chunky embellishments, because I don't have to poke a hole because the hearts are all the way around, so you can choose to put your little charm on the little hole. So that makes it even easier for you not to have to punch a hole. You have a little heart to put the little charm. So I'll have those dies linked down below as well. There's gold thread involved. There's black crepe paper. I made some 3-layered rosettes to make them extra chunky. This is the circles. I used the bigger one and then the smallest one for my embellishments. I also used some of this kind of like Halloween netting. I don't know how to feel about this because when I cut through it, it just started shredding into pieces. So I kind of had to like ball it up like this to put it on my embellishments. I also used some ribbons. This black and white ribbon. I used some of this chunky sequins, some puffy stickers. I used some chipboard pieces from last year's chipboards from, I think, the bucket from Target. I used some of them from last year. And let me see. And just like some little pom-poms. I got some little pom-poms in here. I used some googly eyes. What else? I didn't do any stitching. I just basically layered, and I used these cute little tassels that I had gotten from BB Crafts, which I'll have them linked down below as well. But let me show you guys the ones that I've created so far. Oh, and some like enamel dots and jemmies and stuff like that. So here's the first one. Super cute and chunky, as you can see. So we have the, let me see if I can show you guys the layers. We have the big circle. I'm gonna make one with you guys, but I still want to show you the big circles on the bottom. Then we have the rosette, and then we have the little netting, and then on top of that it's the smaller circle, and then I have the gold thread on top of that, and then I added my little kind of like accordion style layer right on top of that, and then I started layering my chipboard pieces. And then from there, I started decorating and putting like the little bits and filling it in like with the enamel dots. And then like this is a little sticker piece of a candy apple that I found in my stash. Some candy corns back here. A little gemmy here. The spider. Down here, I put like a little word phrase. And the ribbon is actually on top of the smaller circle. So you guys will see how I layer it up. But that's the first one. Isn't it cute? And then we have this one. I didn't do the accordion style on this one because I just wanted to, you know, switch it up a little bit between all of them. So we still have all the same layers. I just didn't do the accordion one. And there's like pop-up tape. And the like the little mesh right here. The little googly eye. And we have the little pumpkin sticker. Some candy corn. The little cat. I put a little pom-pom on his tail. Super cute, you guys. I love the way they turned out. And then we have this one. I have to take off the little gluey bits because that bothers me so much. So I always look at them before I like send it out and like cut off all the little gluey bits. But this is what that one looks like. I love the way the little tassels look on the edge. We got some puffy stickers. These little candy corns are from Little B. And I only have these left. I love them so much. I need to find some more. Look how cute the little bat with the little one eye. I love doing that. I think it looks so fun. And then the last one is this one. And you can see the little string. And then the little rosette. But yeah, you guys, that is my little chunky embellishments. So now I'm going to kind of just speed up the process and build this one up and come back and do my little outro for you guys. Thank you guys for watching and continue watching. Okay, I'll be right back. Adios. done, you guys, and here is our chunky embellishment. I ended up putting the accordion because I totally forgot, so I had to like rip it up and put it back. I didn't film that, so it's there so I can put that extra layer. And this is how it turned out, and I think it turned out so cute. I put a little pom-pom on the little cauldron stick and this cute little cat. I added some little gemmies, the little spider, and all the little fun layers, you guys. Oops, almost fell. So that is today's giveaway, you guys. Oh, you know what I forgot? I almost forgot. You see, you guys, when I film stuff, I forget. I forgot to put the little charm. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna get my little tassel out of my bloom. We'll do, which one should we do? What color? It's that they're all, so maybe we can do, we'll do the little orange one. Okay. So we're gonna get our little tassel, and now I gotta get my little jump ring. And let me see if I can do that right here. Yep. So I got my little tassel and the jump ring. Where's the embellishment? Which one is the one that I made? They all look the same to me. Okay. So just pick your little heart that you want to put your little charm through, your little tassel. And around and around until it goes completely. And this paper, you guys, that I used is so thick that it doesn't even like tear. Okay, we're almost at the end, and that's it. And there's our little tassel on the bottom piece. And I just think the little tassels give it a little something extra. Look at that. So today's giveaway is going to be these super chunky little embellishments. If you guys want to be entered for the giveaway, leave a comment down below saying enter me. Let me know what you think. Do you like chunky embellishments? You not like it chunky embellishments? Just say something or enter the giveaway. Thank you guys for all the love on my series. I appreciate you so much. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on day 9 tomorrow. Bye guys.